Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the LookFantastic October beauty box, or beauty box for October for you. And we're just gonna open it up. Ooh, beautiful color. Purple. Yeah, it looks much more purple in the viewfinder than it does in real life. This is beautiful. Purple is one of my favorite colors, in case you didn't know. And I got this coupons again. So of course I will show them to you. This is for 30% off your first grocery shop and free deliveries for 3 months at Ocado, the online supermarket. This one and this one. Let's just open this up. Also, I'm a bit sick, so if you can hear it, I'm very sorry. Ooh, there's a lot of it, Jesus. Stars can't shine without darkness. So we got the leaflet here, and then, ooh, Cara Delevingne, oh my god, yes. Another girl crush of mine, obviously. So, UKL, which is again very thick. Is it still fashion month? I don't know. I'm not into fashion, if you can tell. And then let's just open this up. Oh, it didn't really see a lot. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, so the first thing we have here is illuminating holographic sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils. And it has a cute little panda. Look at that. Oh my god. It is sulfate-free, gluten-free, and also suitable for vegans. So basically vegan, and it's not tassel animals. Oh my god. Made in Korea, 30 gram. Oh, I'm very excited for this. I will do a separate video on this as well, obviously. This was the one that was actually like on the back of the last month's leaflet. This time we have the Christmas stocking. So, another code if you want it. Okay, is the brand. Chalk holographic fiber face mask. It's worth £10. Give your skin a futuristic facial with this hyaluronic acid infused face mask. Containing a supercharged dose of brightening citrus oils and skin boosting ascorbic acid, the complexion is left bright and dewy. Very, very excited for this. Oh my god. I hope it's actually like this color, really holographic. That would be amazing. I'm very excited about like this. Only one makeup item in, as far as I can tell, but this is the Wet Brush Mini Detangler Professional. Little brush, big results. The detangler for life on the go. 19% less damage and 56% less effort. Have to open this up. Look how cute this is. Oh my god, hold on. Ow. If I tell you how long it's been since I've brushed my hair, you don't want to know. I mean, I just do a quick brush in the shower and then for the rest I don't touch. Oh my god, this actually feels nice. I mean, this is so soft. I don't even know if I'm actually brushing my hair. I mean, clearly I am, but it doesn't feel like it. Ooh, this is nice. Also gives you a nice scalp massage. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. I love the design of this. This is gorgeous. This is worth $7.99. The ultimate hair and time-saving tool, the Wet Brush Mini, effortlessly detangles wet or dry hair without breaking or stretching hair. Ergonomically designed with a non-slip handle. Smooth and style hair in a breeze with this on-the-go essential, suitable for all hair lengths and textures. I actually really like this. I can finally get rid of my Tangle teaser because that one is a little broken. This is actually really nice. I really enjoy this. So far, 2 pros I'm very excited about. But this is the only actual makeup item in here, as far as I can tell. This is the Balm eyeshadow in Take It For Granted, I think. Oh yeah, you opened that. Ooh. Okay, another eyeshadow. It's not like I bought 3 palettes recently. But I just want to swatch this. Oh, okay. It's a bit crumbly. Oh my god, but look. Oh my god. This is so metallic. And, I mean, the Balm has beautiful packaging. I know, I panned the whole Meet Matte palette. Alternative Rock Volume 1. So, like, maybe, I don't know. So here is the swatch. It's like a silver with like a purple undertone to it, like a taupe undertone, and this is the packaging. Oh, so you can get 1 out of 3. I have the middle one. You can also get this one, and you can get this one. Multi-purpose powder in alternative rock, take it for granite. Fort again eyeshadow in red-handed or Mary Luminizer. They are worth $8. Give your makeup an otherworldly upgrade with these intensely pigmented multi-purpose shadows. With the buttery soft formulas, deliver high pigment color, create an extraterrestrial look with these powders. The Mary Luminizer is technically a highlighter, so I feel like, I mean, of course this is a bit too purplish, but like they say, this is like a multi-purpose, so maybe you can use it for something else as well. This I'm excited about because we had this one before and I still have a bit left. This is the Polar hand cream, the genuine Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. It smells so good, does the job so well, sinks in quickly, and like I said, it smells just, you can smell a bit through the seal here, but I will not open it. I still have one that I'm working on. I think we got that last year around the same time, so it's been a while. Now granted, I don't use hand cream every single day. I don't use it as often as I should, probably. Let's just all agree that this is great, okay? Does a wonderful job. This is worth £9.90. Treat your hands with this nourishing and protective hand cream inspired by historic rituals of the women of Lapland. Or Lapland, however you say it. Rich in Arctic berries, this hand cream envelops hands in moisture, saving them from the chill of autumn. Okay, 2 products left. This is the EOS Evolution of Smooth Shimmer Lip Balm in Pearl. Okay, I'm gonna open that as well. Gluten-free, doesn't matter, made in America. That's it. I don't think EOS is gluten-free, to be honest, so it sucks a little. Also, so much packaging for one lip balm. Ooh, it actually smells nice. Yeah, there is a bit of a shimmer going on, and the packaging is stunning. If it wasn't for all the other packaging, you know, the cardboard and then this plastic thing and the other plastic thing, and just, yeah, I like the design on this. It's actually very beautiful. Also, EOS, I mean, it's a good lip balm. They do the job. I like having them, even though they're not cruelty free. But they do a nice job, and it's also good. It's always good to have a lip balm. So there are different, like, color combos or finishes you can get. This is, like I said, Pearl. You can get Shimmer Coral, Pearl or Iridescent, or Crystal Vanilla Orchid. None of this really makes sense. Depending on what box you get a different one, and you also might get a different, the balm thing. Deeply hydrate the lips with this lip balm that hosts a cocktail of nourishing and protective ingredients. Delivering a subtle tint and shimmer, this lip balm is infused with shea butter, jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, and vitamin E to restore moisture levels in the lips. This is worth £6.50. Okay, and then last but not least, oh my god, that's a huge thing.
That's what she said. No time, but she did. No time!
This is a brush. Angled blending brush. Ooh. We'll use this. We'll use this together. By Look Good, Feel Better. I think that's a brand, and they support breast cancer awareness. Facing cancer with confidence, also just cancer in general, which is always good. I can't believe that we still haven't really found the cure for cancer. I mean, we've done so many other things that are straight up bullshit, to be quite honest. But finding a cure for the disease is just not happening. I don't know why. Luxuriously soft bristles, cruelty-free and vegan professional quality. Ooh. Oh, and by purchasing this product, you will help us provide workshops, information, and online support to thousands of people across the UK, enabling them to face cancer with confidence. Yes. I love it. I love a good charity. Ooh, that is a very beautiful brush. Ooh, it's so soft. I have to try it out. You know I have to try it out, but oh my god, that's beautiful. Ooh, like this. Okay, maybe like this. I don't know. I don't know if you can really see it. This is worth $6.99. Create an eyeshadow look that is blended to perfection with this angled blending brush from Look Good, Feel Better. With an angled flat-headed brush, this eyeshadow brush can be used for a diffused makeup look or to blend out a more intense finish. Let me get a mirror and then I will try it out. I have so much going on here, I can't find anything. Oh, here it is. So again, this is the Take It For Granted. God, what a beautiful shadow. This brush is so soft but also quite dense. Ooh. I'm actually feeling this. Granted, I have to put another eyeshadow on my list of eyeshadows I don't want to use up, but this is stunning. Are we feeling this look? Because I am. It's like, just put some mascara on this like a Christmas look. Ooh, love it. So I'm just going to tell you what else you can find in the booklet or leaflet. Kate and Melissa. I have no idea who these people are. I don't know, but you have an interview with them. Out of this world, so anything that's a bit like that has a bunch of sparkle and glitter in it, that looks like the galaxy and just stars and whatever. Really beautiful. And product dictionary pumpkin. So products that have pumpkin in or pumpkin seeds. I mean, it's good to know about it. Like when I think about pumpkin, I don't think about skincare. You know, that's not the first word that comes to my mind. But if you want to learn a bit about it and what it actually does for your skin or for your health or whatever, you can read it. Glass skin, so everything for glass skin, which is the latest K-beauty trend apparently. I have to read up on that because I have no idea what it is, but the products you can use for that. Probably, basically very shiny and dewy and good-looking skin without any breakouts and redness or whatever. Highlighters, out of this world. I think the concept is out of this world or something, or like cosmic, whatever it is. Highlighters that you can use, liquid highlighters and powder highlighters and stick highlighters and all the other. Extraordinary masking, 24K gold mask. Who has time and money for that? Beauty faves from the Beauty Box team, so people who work there. Wait, oh, okay, I got it. Kate also has an interview here, actually works in this department and puts the boxes together properly, so now we know who she is. And the November sneak peek is the ESPA or ESPA Smooth and Firm Body Butter. This is about it. Anyway, I'm actually really excited about this. I'm a bit sad that there are only like 2 makeup products in. But anyway, I'm not going to sit here and then complain about it. I'm happy I got these things. I'm happy I got to try them out. Very happy about this eyeshadow. I mean, this is beautiful. Look at this. And I kind of want to depot this and put it into my, well, it's not really a Z palette, but in my palette, my magnetic palette. But then again, I want to keep it like this because it's beautiful. It reminds me of, yeah, like the 50s color. Like, reminds me of Marilyn Monroe. So I don't know. Maybe I keep it here. You know what? I keep it here. I have my vintage collection. In case you don't know, I like vintage stuff. I put that there. I have like an old CD of an old CD with old music on, you know, like Doris Day and D Martin and whatever it is. So I put it there. And I have a post stamp from Germany with Marlene Dietrich on. In case you don't know what it is. Amazing woman, or was an amazing woman. So I think I'll put it there. And then whenever I do this simple look, which is basically just concealer and red lipstick, I would just put this on. Anyway, so I rambled on for way too long. I hope you enjoyed this. I have a code in the info box in case you want to get this box as well. Maybe not this box, but next month's box, November. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And it's a nice video. Don't text me. I'm busy.